What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a little bit different video. I might talk about a little bit of the channel change, but maybe not this video because this is mostly for my portfolio. So, as you can see, I'm displaying my shooter game, which I've created for my portfolio. It's got shooting bullets. The bullets bounce off at the minute, which is a little bit annoying, but it's sort of works for now. I shouldn't really say sort of works, but here we go. And then we've also got explosions. So if we throw a grenade down, we wait a moment. It is a big explosion, but it will explode and then it will destroy anything in the air. Well, not destroy anything, but harm anything in the area. And then if I actually shoot it with my bullet, I can actually instantly set it off. We also die, so that's quite cool. The enemies don't do anything yet, so I do need to move maybe towards that if I have chance, but we are only a couple of days off deadline now, so I'm just showing what I have. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. The videos will be back up to schedule as usual after I've finished handing in for uni, and then yeah, this one is going to be more of a design display, so Photoshop and other things, but that's not for this video. So I will see you all soon. Peace. Right, so I did forget to display one more thing. So as you know, we have these grenades, and we do die if we get too close to them, and they explode on shot if I hit it, if I can hit it. My mouse is on a little bit too high. Jeez. Oh my, that DPI. There we go. So maybe if I throw it and then get out of the way. There we go. I shot it. I think I probably took damage from that. But we also have these, which are flashbangs. These don't take any. These don't force explode because they're lethals, well, non-lethals. So these are going to be flashbangs. So if you're in the radius of them, you're going to take a flash, and then it might actually put like a white thing on your screen if you're a player. But yeah, like I said, they don't actually. For some reason, they're staying, which is strange. They shouldn't really be staying, but maybe it's because I shot it. Interesting. Don't know why it stayed. Oh well. Right, but that's the last bit of display for this project. Thank you for watching and peace.
Yeah, I'm different. Nah, I don't fit their system. So let the match class that's a fact. Never backtrack. ADD's my life hack. Addicted to spitting rap. Angels on my back. Triple one, telling me to carry on. What's a meal? The evil one. Without him, we'd be none.